Good Sunday, everybody. Thought I'd shoot a short little video here on the old New York railroad lantern. This one's actual railroad lantern. Pretty neat. I'm gonna get her going. It's got a wick on it, not too long, but it's good enough. Look at that, back when we used to make good stuff. Made in the USA. See that? There's the globe. Let's see if I can't get a good shot here. Vista, New York. So we're gonna put this bad boy back in. Gotta line that up. Turn it. We want to make sure that we're all the way in here. Well, let's set this down for a minute. See if I can find a good prop. There we go. Got her locked in there. Then you just set her on here like this. Get her to lock into place. It sits on there. There's a little pin in here. We'll have to get that all lined up, and there's a pin that's in here and it kind of latches into place. Just like that. We'll put the globe in, just like that. Just like, make sure we don't break nothing. This is a little bit old to be breaking. I ain't gonna just go buy new parts. Pretty cool. Yep. Just like that. Let's see if we can get it to fire up. Look at that. Just like that. Look at that. Pretty sweet, huh? It's kind of spring-loaded, the little handle. Pretty awesome. Whoa, whoa. Anyways, happy Sunday, everybody.